Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I am showing you a brand new free app loaded with over 50,000 movies, TV shows, and live sports. I will show you exactly how to get it on your Fire Stick right now. First, go to the magnifying glass on your home screen. Search for the app called Downloader. Select the orange icon and click Download. Before we open it, we need to adjust some settings. Hit the Home button and go to Settings. Click on My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options, click on About. Then highlight your device name and click the center button on your remote several times until it says you are a developer. Now go back to developer options, turn ADB debugging on. Click on Install Unknown Apps, find Downloader and turn it on. Go back to your home screen and open Downloader. Click on the search box to bring up the keypad. Type in the website address unlinked.link shown on the screen and hit Next. Scroll down on the web page and click Download APK Android. Once it downloads, click Install. After it installs, click Done and select Delete twice to remove the unnecessary installation file. Go back to your Fire TV settings, open Developer Options and select Install Unknown Apps. Find the newly installed Unlinked app and turn it on. Return to your home screen and open Unlinked. Click on Add a new library. Enter the special store code, Fire Media, shown on the screen to access my personal app store. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Once inside the store, you will see over 50 organized applications. Scroll down to the YouTube example section. Make sure to download NordVPN. It is highly recommended to use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps on your device. It bypasses internet restrictions and stops buffering caused by your internet provider. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Click Download and then install. Next, find Vultra TV in the store. This is the brand new free app with over 50,000 movies and shows. Click Download and then install. To make things easier, go to your apps list on the home screen, highlight Unlinked, hold the center button, and click Move to Front. Do the same for NordVPN and Vultra TV, so they are always easy to access. Open NordVPN before launching any streaming apps. Click the green Connect button. Once your country highlights green, you are fully secured and ready to stream. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe to TechVibes. Leave a comment with your device model if you run into any issues. Share this video with friends who need free entertainment. See you in the next video.